Hello everybody, it's Regina from the Cutting Cafe. I wanted to show you really quick how to put together the new 3D shadow card. It is super easy to put together, so let's get started. Basically, this is what the card looks like, and it's called a shadow card because when you open it, it kind of has like a little shadow box in there that you decorate there, and then you can decorate on the front, and it makes it look like it's 3D. So here's one that I've already made with a little shaker, and the template comes with a shaker. So when you cut out your items, because I've already cut out everything, I'm going to try to make this quick. It will come with, the set comes with a circle window, and it has a lot of circle words you can use, and it also comes with a bonus with a heart window, and this is another one that I've made, and you can see the little inside there where I have the heart there, and this is on the outside of the card, and this is the front of the card. Now it comes with a heart window, and it also comes with a square window, and those are just two extra bonus pieces. They don't have all the extras for the cutout, or nor do they have an extra to make a shaker card. So you will have you decide whatever one you want to use. You'll have your piece like this, and there will be perforations in the middle. So this is basically the inside part of the card, which is this. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Okay, this is the outside part of the card, and when it cuts out, it's basically going to cut out exactly like this. So however you see it on the screen, that's the way you should put your paper, because this would be your front, and when you fold it over, this is still your front. So really easy. Let's decorate the front real fast, and I'm just gonna put some random things on here. I'm using this paper by Die Cuts with a View called Linen Closet. Okay, so let's see. You can decorate the front however you want, and there is also a template, well, a layer piece that you can put on the front here or on here, so that if you wanted this to be white and you wanted to put a layer on top. So we're just going to put this on here like this, and then I have like these little butterflies that I punched out with my could have been a Stamp Net punch, I'm not sure. And I'm going to put this on with one of my little, oh, this is the big one. Sticky dots here. Put it in the middle, and we're just going to put that right there. Because one of the great things about this card is that even though there is a 3D portion that sticks up, if you don't put any things that are really high up on it, it will actually fold over and close, and it fits inside an A5 envelope, or it could be an A5. I'm getting confused. Quarter fold size envelope. Okay, so that's the front. Then let's work on this part. So you would just fold over on the perforations in the middle there. Okay, that's your outside. And then there's a perforation here, and that part goes inside. So with this particular piece, and this is your outer piece, you're going to stick this piece on the back like that, up to, probably can't see it, but maybe up to the perforation. You would glue that on there. So that's what we're going to do. Remember, this is the outside. We're going to turn it over, and this inside part gets glued to the back of here. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put the glue on this side, or the adhesive on this side. Okay. And then I'm going to line it up. perforation on here. Okay. So basically, you can see now how it's coming together. So it would go like that. See how you have the 3D portion there, the box portion, shadow rather. And this flap is actually going to glue onto this. So then it would actually fold, well, it will fold down like that. So, but before you glue that, you want to go ahead and decorate this inside, because this is the portion here on this particular middle one here is the inside in here where it has happy birthday. So there is a layer piece in the set that you can cut out to put a different color on here. So that's already made for you, so you don't have to worry about trying to cut that part. So let's put this in the inside. And of course this is optional, you don't have to. If you have some paper that has a pattern on the front and on the back, you don't have to cover it. So you just put it in the middle here. Okay, so then basically now we already have a window right there. So also the set I mentioned comes with a shaker for just the square part. I'm sorry, the circle part. Let's go ahead and make the circle real quick, the circle shaker, and this is optional. You don't have to do this at all. So what you want to do is you want to cut out, there's 3 pieces to it. There's 2 solids, okay, and then there's the frame. Okay, if you want to be able to see this, you're going to need to make both of these in clear. And basically this is just some clear plastic that I had from, let me see if I can find it. I bought a whole pack of this, it's called clear vinyl covers from Kelly's Paper. So that's what I used to cut those out with. So what we want to do is, let's put this to the side. And you want to glue this onto the back of this. So where's my glue? I'm going to add this here. Okay, make sure it's good and glued on there like that. Then you need to make a little 3D tape around here so you can feel something in the inside. And I use this tape that I get from Home Depot, like a whole roll of it, cut it in strips, and it will curve easily if you take off both sides of the tape. It's double stick tape. So then you're just going to go around where the white part is. Doesn't matter if you go to the edge, just make sure you stay on the white part here. Okay. Then okay, and then you can fill it with whatever you want to fill it. And I'm going to use these little gold beads I have. Okay, and then all you do to complete the shaker is you just put the clear piece on top of there. Flatten it down. And you've got a cute little shaker. Okay, so this shaker needs to go, we want it to be seen from here, and you're only going to see the circle part. You're not even going to see this pattern. So this needs to be glued on your window on this side. So I'm going to use this to do that. Okay, then we're just going to stick this right here. And now you have a shaker. Oh, I'm a little off-centered on there. Well, that's okay. Now you have a shaker. So remember, before you get ready to actually put adhesive on here, to adhere it to the front cover, you need to decide if you're going to decorate more on this piece. And I am going to put this little tag that was inside the paper pack, and it just says love you. But I'm going to put it with some of this same tape to kind of make it look like it's 3D. And if you have foam, you can use foam. You don't have to buy this stuff. I just like to buy it in a roll. It's skinny instead of the foam being a big sheet and then you got to cut it down. So let's see. I kind of want this to be, sometimes it's kind of hard to see where the middle is here, but let's see. About right. Yep, that's about right, but it needs to be straight. So we'll do that about like that. Yeah, and then it kind of like shakes. You have a little shaker in there. Okay, and I think that's all I'm going to put in there. So then I'm going to go ahead and still, before I adhere it on here, because I want to put some other things on the front of here, I'm going to just fold this down like this and finish decorating this front. Now, I remember I told you there in the set, just for the circle, not for the heart and the square, there is some circle words. Now, what I did, normally, I think there's about 8 or 9 of them. There would be an outer line on the outside, a black line. That is not necessarily the line you cut on. That is a line to help you see where to cut, basically. I'm using these spell binders, and forgive me that I cannot remember what the size is for these, but this is one of the larger ones, and I put that line there so that you can easily be able to make sure you just put your spell binder frame in the middle of the line. That kind of helps you see where to cut it. And then a smaller one, you can basically use whatever size you want. If you use it too small, you're going to be going inside your card more. So yeah, and then I just kind of eyeball it in the middle, then I run it through, and that's how I came up with this perfectly cut out shape. So we're going to just add this on to the front of this. Let's see, right here. Okay, and I'm just about done with the front of this. So now we're going to go ahead and add adhesive to this flat part right here. And the easiest way to do this is to flatten out this flap. Don't leave it like that. Flatten it out like that. Bring your top piece over and then squeeze onto it. And then, so when you open, it's on there perfectly. And that's it, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this card for the sake of the video. And remember, this will fit inside your quarter fold size envelope. And super easy, great way to, I could just see right now, you could, for Christmas, you could have like trees on the outside and the inside with snow on the inside. It just would be super cute. Well, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon. Actually, not see you again soon. I hope to have another video soon. Thank you.